Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters, and yes, this news, it matters. Alright you all, we got leaked images of the Galaxy Note 9 cases, and they're going to be traditional from year to year. You're going to get, of course, your flip cover case, your LED flip cover case, which is probably one of the ones that I will buy again this year. I pretty much do every year. And you get some of the basic cases as well, blue, black. You get different colors like brown, which I'm looking forward to probably purchasing one. And also you get a purple color, which leads me to believe that we may get a purple Galaxy Note 9. I'm not sure, but we will find out in about another week. Now you are gonna get your Alcantara cases as well. They got a new color, cream, right? Cream is new. Also, there's a case that I like the most out of all, and that's going to be this rugged case. It's a kickstand case by Samsung. Now all the cases you've seen today are by Samsung, and I like it. I like this rugged look. It has a touch of elegance to it to me, and it looks good. So this one is definitely bought when it hits the market. It comes in a black and also this silver color, and I'm liking it. So hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on these cases. Let me know if you're gonna be buying one of the cases, and let me know if you're thinking about purchasing the Galaxy Note 9 this year or not. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.